Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set daily reminders on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Reminders app on your iPhone. Now from here, just tap on New Reminder or just tap on the plus icon to add a new reminder. Now in the title, just add any title. For example, I will create a reminder for it to remind me to take out the trash. Now once you add the title of your reminder, from here, you can set a date for your reminder, and below the date, you will find the option of time. Now, once you enable this toggle, from here, you can set the time for your reminder, just like that. Now, if I tap on repeat, from here, you can set when to repeat this reminder. Now, for an example, I will select daily. Now, what I have basically done is that I have created a reminder for it to remind me to take out the trash on 1:20 p.m. daily. Now just tap on done to save this reminder. Now if you tap on reminders, you can find the reminders which we have just created. But remember that the reminders app will only send you a notification to remind you for the reminder which you have set. Your iPhone will not ring to remind you for your reminder. Now for the second option to set your daily reminder, just go to your home screen and open the clock app. Now from here, just go to alarms. And from here, just tap on the plus icon to create a new alarm. Now from here, just set the time of the alarm. Now in repeat, you can set when to repeat this alarm. And in the label, just add your label. For example, I will set my label just like that. Now if you tap on sound, you can set a sound for your reminder. Now from here, just tap on done. Now what we have basically done that we have created an alarm which will ring daily to remind us of the task which we have set. And this is how you can set daily reminders on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.